I'm here in Bustehrad and I'm just checking out this building here that looks like it's abandoned. I have no idea what the heck that building is. We may go up there and visit it. It looked like it was kind of like some kind of maybe hospital or something. Looks quite scary actually. But anyway, we are on some of these like little contraptions here to do exercise. Hopefully this one will work for me, and it does. There you go, look at that. Do some exercise while we are in the park. It's about 7 a.m. in the morning, 2 degrees, so it's really cold and chilly. As you can see, the winter vibes with no leaves on the trees there. There's no one else here, only me. Where is everyone? It's like a ghost town here. That looks quite scary actually. Looks like a Silent Hill hospital. Woo! But how do we get up to there and check out the scary looking building? Wonder if we can get inside it. Looks like a hospital. Silent Hill style. There's Bustehrad. Can't get in there. Ravens. I can hear ravens. Omen style ravens. Look at that, guys. Let's see if we can get inside. The heck is that? Alright guys, I've found some information here, but it's in Czech writing. So let's Google translate it and find out what this building here actually is, because there's a picture of it there. So let's Google translate and see what the Google Translate says. It says it is a Baroque castle from the Baroque period, and it was created by and for the Duchess of Tuscany. Tuscany's in Italy, so yes, it is Italian, a Roman castle. So it says, and it's surrounded with a garden, which is the gardens that you see here. I wonder what that is. Can't see anything in there. They've got little portholes. Oh yeah, check that out. Looks like storage. Storage in there. Here's me thinking it was like a hospital or school, but it's actually a castle, so it says. Very interesting, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there are hundreds of ravens in these trees here. Their nests are there. I wonder if they'll get aggressive. Pretty scary having these ravens near that abandoned castle. But there they are. Their nests. Some of them are just frolicking around. All up in these trees. Anyway, I'm not sure if this is an exit or not. Probably isn't. They seem pretty friendly. Or is it? Huh. No idea what that is. Looks like some apartments, some housing. Interesting. Anyway, we will continue walking around Bustehrad, doing our morning exercise. In this chilly temperature weather. Now, one thing that made me laugh a bit was back in Australia, they are fighting over toilet paper, believe it or not. Very funny in a way, but very sad as well. I mean, what the heck is up with people wanting toilet paper? I think it's just real panic buying. If people calm down and I would say invest in a bum gun, Southeast Asian style, you can't go wrong. Bum guns are really good. Yes, they use a bit of water, but at least you're not going to be cutting down trees every day to wipe your bum. And fighting over toilet paper? Come on, what has humanity got to? Hopefully we don't see any more panic buying like that. Anyway guys, I think I'll leave this video at that. Hope you guys have enjoyed coming around and walking with me this morning. We will continue exploring Czech Republic, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life guys.